Thinking about traveling alone for the first time but not sure where to start? Today I'm sharing 10 essential solo travel tips that will help you plan smarter, stay safe, and truly enjoy your journey, from packing light to meeting new people around the world. Tea break or a month-long backpacking adventure, these tips are designed to boost your confidence and turn solo travel from intimidating into one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. Tip number 1. Start with smaller trips before booking a big international adventure. A local weekend or nearby city helps you get comfortable navigating airports, transport, and new environments on your own. Tip number 2. Research your destination thoroughly. Learn about culture, safety, transport, and basic local phrases. It's one of the best ways to blend in and feel confident in a new place. Tip number 3. Pack light and smart. Solo travel means carrying your own gear, so a smaller bag with versatile clothes and essential tools makes moving around easier and stress-free. Tip number 4. Choose accommodation that's safe and social. Hostels and boutique hotels with common areas are great for meeting other travelers and discovering new experiences together. Tip number 5. Share your itinerary with someone you trust and stay connected. Update friends or family as you go. It's a simple safety habit that brings peace of mind. Tip number 6. Trust your instincts. If a place or situation feels off, step away. Your intuition is one of the most valuable safety tools you'll have on the road. Tip number 7. Learn to dine alone confidently. Eating solo doesn't have to feel awkward. Bring a book, sit at the bar, or join food markets and tours to enjoy local culture and maybe meet new people. Tip number 8. Say yes to shared experiences. Walking tours, cooking classes, and local meetups are excellent ways to explore both the destination and new friendships. Tip number 9. Budget wisely. Solo travel can cost more since you're covering everything yourself, from accommodation to food. Plan ahead and look for deals that help keep costs down. Tip number 10. Embrace flexibility. The freedom to stay longer in a city you love, or change plans on a whim, is one of the greatest perks of solo travel. Use it to create unforgettable memories. Those are the top 10 solo travel tips every first-timer should know before heading out. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more guides to traveling smarter, safer, and more confidently. Comment with your favorite tip or your first solo destination. See you next time.